What's going on, you guys? Chandler back from Easy Stocks here, and today we're going to be doing a really quick video on Bitcoin and why I think something crazy big is going to be happening soon. So taking a look at the chart here, Bitcoin has been really consolidating these past couple months. It's been getting fluctuations of highs and lows, pretty large gaps, and now it's been getting closer and closer together, less spikes, and really it's been coming down to 1 point. And a better picture here, I guess I could show you right now, is this. You can see kind of the reverse wedge formation. It's coming down to a singular point here, and it's almost kind of like the Big Bang, how it started from a single point. I have a feeling it's going to explode in either direction. Now, I don't know which direction it is going to explode, but I know eventually it's going to take off, either go extremely high and go out to the moon, or it's going to drop really, really low. But in all honesty, it really doesn't matter to me whichever direction it goes. If it goes too high, it most likely will correct and come back down a little, or you can play the run up as it explodes up. Now, if the opposite is true and it tanks down to the bottom, let's say 7,600, 6,000, something like that, I'm going to be buying some Bitcoin and riding the wave back up till it finds its price point back in that 9,000. Seems to always find that resistance around that 10,000 mark, except for a couple years ago when it really exploded. But again, this little reverse wedge formation, the consolidation is just pointing. Most of the time, whenever stocks do this, they're going to explode in either direction, especially cryptocurrencies or Forex, anything like that, once they are really, really flatlined. So keep your eye out on Bitcoin. Again, this is a really, really short video, no play like suggestion here, but just keep your eye on it and keep out for any news on it as it really starts to consolidate even more. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up. See you guys next time. Peace.